Okay, so far we've talked about all of the critical elements when it comes to implementing Segment as a CDP for your organization or for your business. We talked about sources, we talked about destinations, we talked about protocols, we talked about custom functions, custom source functions, custom destination functions. We got into transformations and we got into the ins and outs of how to actually leverage the core features of Segment. That would also include things like audiences, profiles, and how to think about implementing these things for your business. To kind of like round this out, when it comes to going through this process for yourself, I just want to reiterate and end on these kind of like final thoughts of how to be successful in this. I think step one, first and foremost, you need to map out the journeys you care about, map out the use cases and the key interactions. One of the keys of success to actually get out of Segment what you're looking for, and that's presumably more sales, more customer engagement, a better relationship, and longer lifetime value and time horizon for your customers that are buying your goods, services, or products. You really need to document everything thoroughly, think through things critically, and then ensure that you have the right team and dedication into the implementation, maintenance, and iteration on your implementation of Segment. So, in order to move forward, those are the principles that I would suggest. Segment itself does have some sort of white glove services, if you will, to help you through that process. There are a lot of free resources out there available, whether it's through YouTube or if I'm able to be of any help at all, feel free to reach out to me. Happy to consult and advise in any way that I can to make you successful in your implementation of Segment and making sure that you're truly enriching your customer data, driving the interactions that you would look to be having, and presumably getting more out of your relationships with your customer, whether you're selling products, services, or whatever it may be. Hopefully that's helpful and you're successful in your implementation here, and best of luck.